I invite you to this deep stress relief meditation to release all that is not useful, to loosen the knots of perception, and to purify your body, mind, and heart of its burdens. Whatever tension you carry, whatever strain has taken root, it serves no one, not you, not the world. When you renounce stress, your natural life force flows again. Your being can touch its truth, the spirit within you, your quiet, infinite source of strength and tranquility. Stress has no power over the truth of who you are, but the truth of who you are holds unyielding power. To recall this is enough to dissolve fear, to melt away the anxious grip of worry, and to make way for supernatural relief. So let us return now to awareness, to peace, to spirit within. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath, guiding it down into your solar plexus. Hold here for 5. And release with a sigh. Again, inhale deeply all the way to the pelvic floor. Hold for 5, stretching long through your torso, and release with ease. One final breath, inhaling, drawing the air all the way to your toes. Hold and let it go. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head, the scalp, the forehead, the eyes. Soften the cheeks, the jaw, the tongue resting in the mouth. Bring attention to the throat, back of the neck, shoulders, arms, elbows, wrists, hands, palms, each finger one by one. Now to the chest and ribs, the rise and fall of the belly, the heart, lungs, middle of the back, stomach, liver, kidneys, the lower back, the whole digestive tract. Awareness to the hips, the glutes, thighs, hamstrings, the knees, front and back, calves, shins, ankles, feet, the soles, each toe, one by one. Now sense the whole body together, resting, effortless, heavy and light at the same time, open, quiet, serene, held in the vast embrace of spirit. Feel the space within you expand. Touch it with your awareness. Notice its fullness, its goodness, its godness. Shift into this self, becoming one with that which fills all things, all space, all time. Allow your eternal presence to purge every last thread of strain. This is where the truth of your being reveals its power, not along the line of time, not in thoughts or actions. It opens in the gap between. In this pause, you slip gently out of time into eternity. The mind cannot hold this moment, and yet you know, you feel the shift. You are changed. Rest here a moment as your inner reset completes. From inside this divine stillness, let us release the mind. Thoughts may float through like petals on a breeze. Stress is only mistaking the petals for the air that carries them. Assure yourself, I am not my thoughts. I am free in the stillness beneath them. Bring awareness to the heart. Whatever clenches there, worry, pressure, sadness, cast it into the immortal gust of your being that blows back to source, where all burdens disintegrate. Nothing judged, nothing kept, only love remains. Whisper softly, I release all distortion from my scope of feeling. I rest in love. Take a final deep breath in and exhale into blissful relief. As you open your eyes, carry this truth with you. Stress cannot defeat you. It has no reality. Peace is always and ever, because peace is what you are. Seize this day with renewed power and ease, with calm certainty, restored in spirit and anchored in love. You are safe. You are held. You are forever free.